I get 1,000 views, I'll do a face reveal.
It's $30.
So, can you... Not the $20, the ticket, fool.
Oh.
Wait, it's your ring. I can't see it. Why are you holding it like that? Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a quick haul. So, what's this you have?
Another one right here.
Okay, can you like focus it into like... Wait. Bro, stop moving. Wow, that's so orange.
Yeah, I got another.
Oh,
that is you too.
oh my god, it's just...
I got it off Style Nanda. It fits me better if I gain weight.
What else did you like purchase?
Oh, I got this. Oh, napkin. Oh, this was $17.50.
That's too expensive.
$1,750, not $7.
So, yeah. Oh, so, how much? Wow, really? Wow, I guess this is serious. Straight out. Wait, this is Henry's song. Ew. Why does Sabrina look so distressed? What are you saying?
Saying that you're having an abortion because you're an immigrant.
Wow, that freaking racist. Can I get 1,000 views, guys? Well, they told me to talk more, so I'm talking, but not with my face. So, that's Sabrina right there. She just hates all minorities. Hey guys, so this is, I'll do a face reveal at 1,000 views, but I just finished watching, Wonder Woman. What a woman, and, I didn't cry. I have allergies. You're just a lesbian. Oh, I have allergies. You like women. Going, it's that way. So, the beautiful sky today. Today we're, watching. This is how good. This is how I want to vlog. Evidence for when they find your body. Okay, Nate's the first one to film us dying. It's clickbait. But she's like, well, they were. Oh my god, I'm not dead. Oh my god. That's so good.
The woman's a secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah.
Hey guys, I'm done.
Add me on Snapchat.
Yeah, no. Okay guys.
I find that offensive, actually.
Bye.